right, so a few people have been asking me how did I put my logo and website on the bottom of my can cooler, or for any part of your 3D model for that matter. So of course I'm starting off with Canva, have my logo website here. I want to save it as an SVG. Download, file type SVG, click transparent background, and then hit download. Pull up Bambu Studio. You want to click on the model that you want to add your logo to or your SVG file to. Go down to add modifier. This is very important. Negative part is going to deboss it. Part is going to emboss it. We want add modifier. All right, SVG, logo, website. Here we go. Of course, this is too big, so I want to scale it down. All right, I think that is fine right there. And then I want to position it. So I'm going to click on move so I can move it. Okay, and I like it right there. All right. So there we go. I have my SVG file on there, but now I don't want it to blend in. Right now it's red. I can change the filament type here or the filament color here, or I can right click, change filament, and change the color here, whichever one. But one step you make sure, or you want to make sure you don't miss, edit SVG, set this here, 0.6, size is already set. Be sure to use surface. That way it's attached to your surface. Modifier, it's already saved as a modifier. If you just want to double check, right click, change type, modifier. There we go, right there. All right, and another way you're going to know everything. Oh, let me go back. Another way you can get that SVG box to pull up is before you even put your SVG on there, while you're in the process. Right click, add modifier, SVG, insert your SVG, and then there. So I could have went on ahead and added my settings or changed my settings here. Whichever way you want to do it is fine. I mean, either or. All right. Okay, now I don't want that there. Let me go back and delete it. The second SVG that I added. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go down and look for this one. That's the one I want to delete. All right, so here we go. You added your SVG, slice plates. As long as your SVG is showing, you're good to go. One reason I learned that it would not show is using the paint tool. I did use the paint tool on this can cooler. However, the bottom as well as the top is already red. Because I changed the filament color to red, and I used paint for the yellow and the green. I learned because initially I painted it, so I can't remember exactly how I did it, but anyway, I had the bottom painted, I believe green. And yes, I had the bottom painted green, and when I went to slice after I included my logo and website, it did not slice. It did not slice. Couldn't even see. I'm sorry, it did slice, but you could not see the logo and website. So I learned that you cannot add a modifier on top of a painted part of your model. All right, so your SVG is good to go. Go ahead and print plate. I hope this helps.